Welcome to the unveiling of the Vega EVX at the Geneva International Motor Show 2020. Before we start, I want to just say, in 2013 and early 2014, when we put this team together, we wanted to focus on building cutting-edge technology for the EV supercar market and bring that technology to Geneva. Now that we are here, we feel that this is a massive accomplishment for us, even with the disruption of the coronavirus that has affected this event. We stand by with the organizers of this event as we also stand with the people for safety and health. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Beshan Kulapala, Director of Vega Innovations. We are based in Colombo, Sri Lanka, and part of Geneva International, a software solution provider, one of the largest in Sri Lanka, focused on the travel industry for some of the biggest airlines, cruise lines, and so forth. Vega is a small multidisciplinary team full of engineers and designers who are passionate about building automotive technology. Vega's vision is to be an industry leader in pioneering some of the best EV components and in electric vehicle supercar market. And we are pushing technology forward. What you're about to see today is the work of our engineers in the past 6 years, designing some of the best technologies in the world to come up with Vega EVX. Please, let's unveil the Vega EVX now. Vega EVX is a unique design. All of the major components are designed in-house by our team, including the liquid-cooled battery module and the motor controllers as well. Vega, we have tested 0 to 100 in 3.1 seconds. This car weighs 1,900 kilos. It has 804 horsepower and 760 Newton meters of torque. This is a full carbon fiber vehicle with a space frame chassis. As I said before, all of the major electronic components are designed in-house by our team, including, for example, the LED front lights and the tail lights. Let me show you around of the vehicle with our lights on. Let me show you the interior of the car. This is a completely handcrafted vehicle with some of the finest leathers, exposed carbon fiber and sustainable material. Sri Lanka, as you may know, is a tropical island with a lot of variety of sustainable materials, and we have used all of that in the Vega EVX. In the front, we have our motor controller, our in-house built motor controller, and the front powertrain that sits right underneath it. In the rear, our luggage compartment is quite large, enough to put all of your baggages so that you can enjoy the ride and still be functional as well. While in the design stage of this vehicle, we saw a massive gap in finding external components to match our needs. Rather than integrating external major electronic components such as liquid-cooled battery pack, battery management system, thermal controller, motor controller, ECU, light controller, etc., we took a different route of building all of those components in-house. We saw an opportunity in the market and we took this harder route to build a truly customized high-performance vehicle. So we have been able to bring all of these technologies and products at a cost-effective price point to the market. Looking ahead, we want to take the Vega EVX to production in 2022 with a maximum of 25 units in production. Our production vehicle spec will be a 1.4 megawatt 4-motor torque vectoring system. It will have a 130 kilowatt hour battery pack, will run at 900 volts and will be able to achieve 0 to 100 in less than 2 seconds. It will have a range of 750 kilometers and a top speed of 380 kilometers per hour. Vega is a magnet for new ideas. We thrive on building new technologies and utilizing that to build powerful, faster, lighter electric vehicles to the market. We want to be the leading automotive technology provider for electric vehicle supercars, and we are looking for investors and partners around the globe to work together for this market segment.